We recently stayed at the Biltmore in Coral Gables, so today we are going to be giving you a tour of the room that we stayed in, which was one of the family suites. We had originally just booked one of the regular rooms and we were lucky enough to be upgraded. I do want to put out an apology because some of the footage is a little bit shaky. I did not have my settings quite right on the camera, so hopefully you still find it useful and can get a gist of what the room looked like. And this here was the lovely view of the pool outside of our room. I do plan on doing a future video that takes you around the property a little bit more and kind of chronicles our experience while we were there. So make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and stay tuned for more videos. We post them every Sunday.